How to use Stremio Addons on your mobile device. Using the Stremio Addons on your mobile device is a straightforward process. So here's the process how you can do that. First of all, download the Stremio app from your Google Play Store and Apple Store and you can install it from there. After that, you have to open up your Stremio app here after download it. And you have to open up your app and either you can create a new account or log into your existing one. Once you have login here, you have to go to the addition section, which is usually found in the main menu or the sidebar here. So here you can browse available add-ons here and you have to find the add-on you want to use. After that, you can source anything or you can find anything that you want to use here and you have to tap on the install here or you can add it to your Stremio library. Just go and install and you can install your add-on by using the third-party add-on here. So once installed, you can go back to the main screen and select the library or home screen to content available through the install add-ins and you have to click on the title to start streaming. So you have to make sure that you have the stable internet connection for best streaming experience. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily use the Stremio add-ins on your mobile device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.